How do the air pressure belts and wind belts shift with the seasons? In July, the overhead sun moves to around 23.5 degrees north. As the hottest belt of the Earth shifts northwards, all air pressure and wind belts are brought northwards too. The southeast trade winds from the southern hemisphere shift northwards and cross the equator to the northern hemisphere. They are then deflected to the right of their path into southwest trade winds. In January, the overhead sun moves around 23.5 degrees south. As the hottest belt of the Earth shifts southwards, all air pressure and wind belts are brought southwards too. The northeast trade winds in the northern hemisphere shift southwards and cross the equator to the southern hemisphere. They are then deflected to the left of their path into the northwest trade winds.